Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Yahoo Mail. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Yahoo Mail account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Yahoo Mail. After searching for Yahoo Mail, you'll come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says Yahoo Mail. And now to log into your account, what you can do is just tap on login account, or it will recommend you that account which you have already logged in, so you can just tap on that account and then easily log in into your account. But if you don't want to log into that account, what you can do is just tap on use another account and just enter your username, email address or mobile number. After entering any one of this following information, you can tap on next, and after tapping on next you have to enter your password. So before tapping on next and entering your password, if you have forgotten your username, what you can do is just tap on forgot username and easily reset and recover your username. So if you have forgotten your username, what you can do is just reset or recover your username by tapping on this option. So after entering your username, now you have to enter your password. So after entering your password, just tap on next and you can log into your Yahoo Mail account. But if you have forgotten your Yahoo Mail password, you can do the same with your password. Just tap on forgot password and then create a new password. After creating that new password, come back to this page and enter that new password that you have created. Then tap on next. After tapping on next, here you can see you have successfully logged into your Yahoo Mail account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Yahoo Mail account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.